sila. Dahil gusto ko ang ating mga listeners saying na they're beautiful at mga pogi, mga suot. Ngayong araw ito mukhang pinagandang talaga ng mga event na ito. Agree ba kang Jubel?
Agree, mga all the things blue and me and you.
Okay, siguro dahil handa natin ang ating mga listeners, siguro oras na para simulan ang ating event sa pagpapakilala sa bawat section. Okay? So once again, good afternoon everyone. We're introducing the vibrant students from each section. Let's give a warm round of applause as we proudly present them in their finest modeling moments.
Absolutely, Sir Aaron. Each section has been preparing to dazzle us with their unique wear and style. Let us get started and see what they've got. First up, let's shine the spotlight on St. Vincent Ferrer with their advisor, Mr. Aaron Iconaico. Get ready to be impressed and be entertained.
Once again, the grade 7 St. Vincent Ferrer. Okay. Dito mo naman ang Jubel, napaka-pogi, napaka-ganda ng mga grade 7 St. Vincent. Ano mga siyempre sa advice?
Hindi naman po yun. Talaga namang different shades of blue ang nakikita ko ngayon. So thank you, St. Vincent Ferrer. Your presentation was fantastic.
Next, we have St. Anthony of Padua, guided by Mr. Charles Andrew G.